Students, exercise 2.4, first Roman letter, 5 plus 9i plus 2 minus 4i whole bar. Taking separate conjugate 5 plus 9i whole bar plus 2 minus 4i whole bar. இந்த மாதிரி பார் வரும்போது இந்த சைனை மாற்றணும். இமேஜினரியோட கான்ஜுகேட் எடு. ஸோ ப்ளஸ் ஐனா மைனஸ் ஐ. ஸோ 5 plus 9i become 5 minus 9i. Here 2 minus 4i, you will write 2 plus 4i. இப்போ நார்மல் அடிஷன், real number to real number, 5 plus 2 7, imaginary number to imaginary number, minus 9 plus 4 minus 5i. The answer is 7 minus 5i. Then second sum, 10 minus 5i divided by 6 plus 2i. Taking 5 common in the numerator, 2 common in the denominator, 5 by 2. Then 2 minus i divided by 3 plus i. So 3 plus i ku conjugate edukano. Conjugate of 3 plus i is 3 minus i divided by same value 3 minus i. Mala normal multiplication, 2 into 3, 2 into minus i. Then minus I into 3, minus I into I plus I squared. Denominator a plus ib into a minus ib, a square plus b squared. A என்றது 3 இருக்கு, 3 squared, b 1i 1 squared, 9 plus 1. Next step 5, இங்க வந்து 10 இருக்கு, 5 ஆல இந்த 10 கேன்சல் பண்ணினா 2 கிடைச்சிரும். இங்க 6 I squared become minus 1, 6 minus 1 5, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5i. இங்க ஒரு 2 இருக்கு, 2 2s are 4. Taking 5 outside, then we will get 5 by 4, 1 minus i is the final answer. Then second sum, first Roman letter, 3i whole bar plus 1 divided by 2 minus i. இதோட conjugate 3i whole bar become minus 3i plus 1 by 2i into taking conjugate 2 plus i. 2 plus i into 1 is 2 plus i. A minus b, a plus b, a minus ib, a plus ib, a square 2 square plus b square 1 square. So 4 plus 1 5. Taking cross multiplication or LCM, 5 into 3 15i minus 15i plus 2 plus i. So minus 15i plus i become minus 14i. These two same, 2 minus 14i, taking 2 outside. Our final answer 2 by 5, 1 minus 7i. Then note, z equal to x plus iy, find real part of 1 by z. 1 by z equal to 1 by x plus iy. Taking conjugate of x plus iy is x minus iy divided by x minus iy. X minus iy into 1 is x minus iy. Here a plus ib, a minus ib, real part square x square plus imaginary part square y square. In this case, real part of 1 by z is, which one is the real part? X divided by x square plus y square is the real part. Suppose they are asked to find out imaginary part of 1 by z means minus y, I பக்கத்துல இருக்க value தான் எடுக்கணும், minus y by x square plus y square. Then come to second question, Roman letter 2, real part of I z bar, I into z bar. Z x plus iy na z bar x minus iy, அதான் நான் எழுதியிருக்கேன். So I z bar equal to I into x minus iy. Multiply I inside, ix minus I squared y, minus I squared become minus 1. So minus 1 plus y, இது வந்து minus ix. So I z bar y minus, இங்க வந்து I y plus ix. So I squared வந்து minus 1, minus into minus plus y ஆயிடும், y plus ix. இதுல real part of I z bar, இதுல எது real part na, I இல்லாத பகுதி தான் real part. So y is the real part. Then come to third sum, imaginary part of 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i. Taking z as x plus iy, z bar become x minus iy. Taking 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i. 3 into z x plus iy plus 4 into z bar x minus iy minus 4i. Multiply 3 inside, 3x 3iy, 4x minus 4iy minus 4i. 3x plus 4x 7x, 3iy minus 4iy. So that is become 3iy minus 4iy become minus iy minus 4i. Taking I common, minus I common, then it is become y plus 4. So இந்த ஸ்டெப்ல இருந்து இமேஜினரி வேல்யூ எடுக்கணும். எது இமேஜினரி? I பக்கத்துல இருக்குது இமேஜினரி வேல்யூ. minus of y plus 4 is the imaginary value. Third sum, z1 equal to 2 minus ia and z2 equal to minus 4 plus 3i. Find inverse of z1 and z2. So multiplication of z1 and z2. 2 minus i into minus 4 plus 3i. 2 into minus 4, 2 into 3i, minus i into minus 4, minus i into plus 3i become minus 3x squared, minus 3i squared become I squared become minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. So 6i plus 4i 10i minus 8 plus 3 minus 8 plus 3 become minus 5 10i. So this is the multiplication of z1 and z2. Inverse of z1 z2 is 1 by z1 z2 is the formula. Inverse of z is 1 by z. So inverse of z1 z2 is equal to 1 by z1 z2. So 1 divided by minus 5 plus 10i, taking 5 outside, minus oda common எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா 1 divided by 1 minus 2i இருக்கும், minus 1 by 4i, minus 1 by 5 into 1 divided by 1 minus 2i into 1 plus 2i divided by 1 plus 2i. Denominator a minus ib, a plus ib, that is a square, 1 square, b square, 2 square. Numerator 1 plus 2i into 1, 1 plus 2i. Minus 1 by 5, இங்க ஒரு 1 plus 4, 5, 5 into 5, 25. So 1 plus 2i minus 1 by 2, 25 into 1 plus 2i is the inverse of z1, z2. Next, Roman letter 2, inverse of z1 by z2. First find out z1 by z2. z1 by z2 is equal to 1 by z1 z2, that is equal to z2 by z1. So z2 by z1 equal to minus 4 by 3i minus 4 by 3i divided by 2 minus i into conjugate of 2 minus i is 2 plus i. So we are taking conjugate 2 plus i divided by 2 minus i conjugate become 2 plus i divided by 2 plus i. So as usual multiplication we will get 1 by 4i into minus 11 plus 2i. Fourth question, given v equal to 3 minus 4i, comma w equal to 4 plus 3i. Given that 1 by u is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w, taking LCM w plus v divided by vw, then cross taking reciprocal 1 by u become u plus v, w plus v divided by vw become vw divided by w plus v. Then u equal to substitute v value 3 minus 4i, w value 4 plus 3i, again addition 3 minus 4i plus 4 plus 3i, multiplication of these two values 3 into 4, 3 into 3i, 4i minus 4i into 4 minus 4i into plus 3i, that is minus 12i square. Denominator we have to add the two values, 3 plus 4 7, minus 4i plus 3i become minus i. So 12, your I squared is minus 1 into minus 12 plus 12, 9i minus 16i become minus 7i. 12 plus 12, 24 minus 7i divided by 7 minus i. Taking conjugate of 7 minus i as 7 plus i divided by 7 plus i. 24 into 7, 24 into I, minus 7i into 7, minus 7i into I. In denominator a plus ib, a minus ib, a square plus b square. 168, 7i squared become minus 7i squared become plus 7. 24 minus 49 become minus 25i. 168 plus 7, 175 minus 25i. Denominator 49 plus 1, 50 divided by 50. Taking 25 outside, this will become 25 into 7, 175, 25 into 1, 25. So taking 25 outside, 25 all and the 50 divide by 2 வந்துரும். U is equal to 1 by 2 into 7 minus i.